Thinking about officially starting your business? Setting up an LLC makes a lot of sense. It can protect your personal assets, like your home and car, if your business ever faces a lawsuit. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the essential steps to get your LLC off the ground, especially in Illinois. Step 1. Picking the right name. Before anything, choose a name that's unique and meets state rules. The Illinois Department of Business Services won't approve a name that's already taken or too similar to an existing business. Your LLC's name must include Limited Liability Company, LLC, or the abbreviation LLC. If it's a low-profit LLC, it should say L3C. Avoid words like corporation, Inc., limited, or any term suggesting a government agency or licensed activity unless you have those permissions. Also, steer clear of words indicating banking or insurance, unless authorized. To check if your preferred name is available, use the Illinois Department of Business Services search tool. It's free. Once confirmed, consider securing the matching domain name for your website. This boosts your online presence, and you might even find domains at a discounted rate, like $5 for registration if you act quickly. Step 2. Appoint a registered agent. Your LLC must have a registered agent who receives official notices, like legal documents or government correspondence. This person or service needs to be located in Illinois. You can choose a trusted individual, a friend, or a professional service. Many opt for a commercial registered agent to keep their privacy. These services handle correspondence and even forward mail for a reasonable fee, typically under $10 a month. Engaging such a service also offers benefits like mail scanning, so you can review official documents online. Companies like Filing Fox provide trusted registered agent services, helping you maintain privacy and streamline communication. Step 3. File the Articles of Organization. This document officially creates your LLC. In Illinois, you'll fill out Form LCC 5.5, which requires details like your LLC's name, registered agent's information, and the members or managers. The standard filing fee is $150. You can submit the form online for quicker processing or mail in the physical copies. Just remember to pay via certified check or money order, as personal checks aren't accepted. Including your email is useful. It allows the department to notify you about approval status within about 10 days. Step 4. Draft an operating agreement. Though not legally required in Illinois, having an operating agreement is highly recommended, especially if your LLC has multiple members. It spells out how the business is run, ownership shares, voting rights, and management duties. This document can prevent conflicts down the line and is often needed when opening a bank account or applying for loans. To make it easier, Filing Fox offers free templates to help craft your agreement, and you can also find options for business plan templates. Step 5. Get your IN. Finally, obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS. This business Social Security number is key for opening bank accounts, hiring employees, or handling taxes. The application is straightforward and free. Just fill out the online form on their website, and you'll get your EIN instantly. Post-formation tips. Once your LLC is set up, keep your personal and business finances separate by opening dedicated bank accounts and credit cards. Building business credit will boost your credibility. Also, consider business insurance. Some types are mandatory depending on your activities. A professional website can do wonders for visibility, and hiring an accountant might be a good move to keep your finances on track. All these resources and guides are available below. If questions pop up, reaching out to Filing Fox at info@filingfox.com is a good move. Starting your LLC now is a step towards smarter business growth.